This little kid started feeling very jealous after seeing the toy his friend got. Because of that, he became very angry and refused to play. He didn't even finish his food, and whenever someone called him, he would go and hide somewhere. Then, the owner bought him an excavator toy, but he didn't like it and got scared, so he started running away. After that, this little one even decided to pack his suitcase and leave the house. But in the end, the owner bought him his favorite toy, and he immediately sat on it. However, he started moving very fast and ended up bumping into a tent to stop himself. To calm him down, the owner gave him a lot of his favorite food. If you think this little one is cute, don't forget to like and subscribe.